see this variation in properties of elements, actually it's S block elements have this electronic configuration. S1, that means general electronic configuration of this element is NS1, as their penultimate quantum level have stable S2 P6 noble gas configuration. So lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37, cesium 55. That's the electronic configuration. In this, lithium is having helium electronic configuration with 2s1, sodium is having neon electronic configuration with 3s1, potassium is having argon electronic configuration with 4s1, rubidium is having krypton electronic configuration with 5s1, cesium is having xenon configuration with 6s1, francium is having radon configuration with 7s1. Due to the presence of only one electron in the valency shell, they are paramagnetic, exhibiting +1 oxidation state. But their cations are diamagnetic because of this absence of unpaired electrons. So when you see this variation properties, atomic radii, ionization enthalpy, hydration enthalpy, melting point, reaction with oxygen, water, hydrogen and chlorine. So the element shows variation in properties. Atomic radii. Atomic and ionic radii of alkali metals are largest in the corresponding period. This is because as the atomic number increases along a period, nuclear charge also increases, which result in decreased size. So on moving down the group, as the atomic number of alkali metal increases, their radii also increases because shielding effect predominate over nuclear charge. So the size of the monovalent alkali metal ion, however, always smaller than its parent atom due to increase in nuclear charge. So when you see this, atomic radii of these elements down the group increases because of increasing number of shells. So atomic alkali metal increases, their radii also increases because of shielding effect predominate over nuclear charge. So when you see the size of the monovalent alkali metal ion is always smaller than its parent ion due to increase in nuclear charge. So this is the order of increasing atomic size of the particular group. So if you see this lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, lithium is having smaller size than sodium, potassium, rubidium, francium, because atomic shell increases and it is having shielding increases, atomic size increases because shielding effect predominate over nuclear charge. So beryllium is less than lithium because across the period the size of the atom decreases due to increasing nuclear charge. So that only radon is having less size than francium. Ionization enthalpy. The first ionization enthalpy of alkali metal is lowest among corresponding period because atoms of alkali metals are largest in their respective period. Therefore, outermost electrons that are far away from the nucleus experience less forces of attraction from the nucleus, hence can be easily removed. So however, their second ionization enthalpy is very high. So first ionization enthalpy of the particular element in earth metal is less because outermost electron that are far away from the nucleus, so thus less forces of attraction. However, second ionization enthalpy is high. On moving down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases progressively. This is because effect of increasing size over size of way, the increasing nuclear charge and the outermost electron is very well screened from the nuclear charge. So the ionization energy of potassium, rubidium, cesium are so less that they exhibit photoelectric effect. That is, these can emit electron even with the fall of light on them. So on moving down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium. For that, first ionization enthalpy, second ionization enthalpy is there. Third ionization enthalpy is more higher than that of first and second. So lithium is having more ionization enthalpy. Cesium is having less ionization enthalpy. So down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases. Generally low ionization, first ionization enthalpy. It is well shielded from the nucleus by inner shells. Removal of second electron is much more difficult because it involves removal of inner shell of electrons. Ionization enthalpy decreases as the group is decentered as atomic radius increases. The outer electron is further away from the well shielded nucleus. So in group 2 it has low first and second ionization enthalpy, but third ionization enthalpy is much more higher than that of. So ionization enthalpy decreases as the group is decentered. So ionization enthalpy of group 2 is generally higher than that of group 1. Hydration enthalpy. The amount of energy released when 1 mole of gaseous ions combined with water to form hydrated ion is called hydration enthalpy. The amount of energy released when 1 mole of gaseous ion combined with water to form hydrated ion is called hydration enthalpy. So it decreases as the size of the alkali metal increases. So the order of hydration enthalpy, lithium has more hydration enthalpy than potassium, than rubidium, than cesium. So cesium is having less hydration enthalpy because the size of the alkali metal ion increases. So lithium possesses maximum degree of hydration enthalpy. So when you see this order, lithium plus sodium plus potassium plus rubidium plus and cesium plus. Cesium has highest and lithium has the lowest mobility in aqueous solution. If you take this cesium and lithium, if you dissolve in water, cesium has the highest mobility, lithium has lowest mobility. So in cesium it forms few water molecule around the lithium, more water molecule closed. So due to that, the cesium has the highest mobility, lithium has the lowest mobility in aqueous solution. Lithium has highest hydration enthalpy than cesium. Beryllium has more hydration enthalpy than barium. Down the group, hydration enthalpy decreases. Group 2 ions have hydration enthalpy higher than group 1. Their cations are doubly charged and have smaller size. So when you see this in first group, as the ion get larger, the charge density of the ion decreases. So the electrostatic attraction between ions and water molecule gets smaller. Variation in melting point. Since the metallic bonding between these elements are weak, so these elements have low melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling point decreases on moving down the group due to decrease in the extreme of metallic bonding. So metallic bonding between this element is weak. So these elements have low melting point and boiling point. The melting point and boiling point decreases on moving down the group due to increase in extent of metallic bonding. So when you see the metallic bonding, beryllium has more metallic melting point. Next, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. So variation in melting point, strength of the metallic bond depend on ionic radius, number of electron contributed to the electron C per atom, crystal lattice structure. The exceptionally high melting point of calcium is due to contribution of d orbital participation of metallic bonding. So when you see this physical appearance of this metal, they are silvery white, soft, malleable metal. They are so soft, easily cut with knife. Because of this weak metallic bonding, because of the presence of only one valence electron in them, the softness increases down the group. When you see the density, because of their larger size, alkali metals have lower density. Lithium, sodium, potassium are even lighter than water. So the density of the element increases moving down the group from lithium to cesium. But potassium is lighter than sodium due to increase in atomic volume. Lithium is the lightest metal. So when you see this metallic bonding between these elements is weak, so these elements have low melting and boiling point. So the melting and boiling point decreases on moving down the group. So compared to cesium, potassium, lithium has more melting point than cesium due to decrease in extent of metallic bonding. So these are the few variations.